A 78-year-old male with history of Barrett's esophagus with high-grade dysplasia and intramucosal carcinoma, status post-EMR in 2011 with residual Barrett's esophagus with low-grade dysplasia, status post-cryotherapy. Patient lost follow-up. A routine EGD in 2021 showed a 1.5 centimeter area of nodularity proximal to the EG junction. Biopsy is confirmed carcinoma. Patient reported no dysphagia. Repeat EGD confirmed the 2 centimeter area of nodularity in the distal esophagus with abnormal NBI pattern. Endoscopic ultrasound was performed and showed a hypoechoic mass with irregular borders extending into the submucosa. The MP layer appeared intact. One peritumoral lymph node was found. The node was hypoechoic and malignant-appearing. Given these findings, we decided to proceed with a PET scan, which confirmed a low level avidity in the mid and distal esophagus, and fortunately no FDG, avid lymphadenopathy, or distant metastases. A multidisciplinary team consensus was to proceed with ESD. ESD was performed using the ORISE ProKnife 1.5 millimeter. The ESD procedure started with detailed evaluation of the distal esophagus and the Barrett segments using the high-definition white light endoscopy and narrowband imaging. Marking of the lesion was done using the ProKnife. ESD was started with submucosal injection. The strategy for the ESD was to proceed with the anal side incision, followed by oral side incision, followed by tunneling from the oral side to the anal side, and then followed by opening both sides of the tunnel. This is the anal side incision using the ProKnife. Significant fibrosis in the submucosa was encountered due to prior EMR and cryotherapy. After making the oral side incision, tunneling is done under the lesion, followed by opening the gravity side of the tunnel as shown in this clip here. Submucosal injection is performed using the tip of the ProKnife as shown here. This is followed by the dissection of the anti-gravity side of the tunnel. Histopathology revealed complete resection of a 2 centimeter well-differentiated intramucosal adenocarcinoma with no lymphovascular invasion.
If you liked this video, you can access the full version and many more educational videos on our EduCare platform. Follow the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.